Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Think 100 times before you take a decision. But once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Failure is a word unknown to me. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. My message to you all is of hope, courage and confidence. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Expect the best, prepare for the worst. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Democracy is in the blood of the Muslims who looked upon complete equality of mankind and believe in fraternity, equality and liberty. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. You will have to make up for the smallness of your size by your courage and selfless devotion to duty. For it is not life that matters, but the courage, fortitude and determination you bring to it. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. With faith, discipline and selfless devotion to the duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Come forward as servant of Islam. Organize the people economically, socially, educationally and politically. And I am sure that you will be a power that will be accepted by everybody. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Pakistan not only means freedom and independence, but the Muslim ideology which has to be preserved, which has come to us as a precious gift and treasure and which we hope others will share with us. Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you very much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.